Good day, everyone. I'm Elisa Batulan from BSN 2P12, and today I'm going to interview someone about Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire or PARQ.
Hi, I'm Athena Mariel P. Batulan. I'm 13 years old.
Has your doctor ever said that you have a heart condition O or high blood pressure O?
No,
Do you feel pain in your chest at rest during daily activities of living or when you do physical activity?
no,
Do you lose balance because of dizziness or have you lost consciousness in the last 12 months?
no,
Have you ever been diagnosed with another chronic medical condition other than heart disease or high blood pressure?
no,
Are you currently taking prescribed medications for a chronic medical condition?
no,
Do you currently have or have had within the past 12 months a bone, joint, or soft tissue, muscles, ligaments, or tendon problem that could be made worse by becoming more physically active?
no,
Has your doctor ever said that you should only do medically supervised physical activity?
no.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you.